This is a DC to DC board I bought on AliExpress. It was $1. So I got a brick here. This is a power pack, laptop power pack, 19 volts. So I want to use this module to charge my lithium battery. It's a DIY. So this brick is on like 19 volts. Me, I want 16.8. So I'm going to use this DC to DC to reduce that 19 volts to 16.8. So let's go ahead and test it. This module got a variable resistor. I'm going to show you in a second that you can tune to certain voltage you want. So I'm going to grab my testing meter right there. So let's test. My brick is working. It's 19 volts right there, 19.5. So we're going to connect it to this module and see if it works. The quality is decent. So we can connect our miners right there, and let me tight it. Then we can connect our plus. The board just turned on. That's a good sign. There we go, got 19.4 volts. So there's the variable resistor you tune to reduce the voltage. So let's go ahead. You see that red light right there? That's the output. So if you tune it while it is on input, you won't see the change. So let's go right there. There's nothing. So my conclusion is the variable resistor is dead. So we're going to replace it because I have another one right here. So I'm going to desolder this one and replace it with that one because I think this resistor is the one that is dead. So let's go ahead and connect and replace with this one. Actually, I'm going to contact the seller and tell him the board was dead. So let's replace it with this other variable resistor and see if we can win and have a working board. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our joints a little bit perfect. Like my soldering is bad, but it doesn't matter though, because what we want is a solid connection. Let me do another touch up right there. So let's go ahead, let's test if I'm right. Definitely I'm right. There we go. Let's try to tune our voltage right there. Oh, we have it changed 1.8 volts. Let's tune it up to 1.2. So it's not working. So guys, if you buy these boards and have this problem, just replace the variable resistor. So guys, I'm going to show you how I want to use it. I'm going to make another video. So guys, this is my experience with these Chinese boards. It's a good thing though, because if you know a little bit of electronics, you can fix it.